Welcome to Twins Editing, and today we are going to make custom brush in Adobe Illustrator. You have already seen custom brush people are selling in Creative Market or Graphic River. So today we are going to show you how you can make your own brush very easily, and your creativity will unleash the way how you can make more unique brushes. So let's get started.
Bring the madness.
So let's see how you can make custom brushes in Illustrator very easily. So to start the custom brush, I'm going to use the round shape and make one. Just make one round shape. The color will be black and no stroke will be used. And go to the direct selection tool and select one anchor point, drag it to the left and double click and select the other anchor point and drag it into the right. On the middle, select two of this middle point and maybe move them a little into the left. So basically this is the brush we're going to use. Okay, now drag this shape into the brush panel and select the art brush and press OK. And then you can rename your brush name, maybe pen pressure brush, because the brush I'm using, you can see it's going from narrow to a little bit fat in the middle and again in the narrow, so more like a pen pressure brush. So naming it pen pressure, and make sure you select the scale proportionately and press OK. And now you can delete the shape and you can see there is a brush. Select the brush and paint brush tool and you can see a custom brush is here, and it's kind of looking like a pen pressure enabled brush. Actually it's not. And you can also select it, use the nodes and make necessary changes as you want, and then you can go to path, outline stroke, and now it's a stroke. So this is how you can make pen pressure, any kind of custom brush. Right now I made one look like pen pressure enabled brush. Let's make another, same, using ellipse. And creativity is the limit for you. You can make however you want. Same, dragging the point to left, dragging the point to right, and select these 2 points and moving them to left. This is looking like another brush, and same, drag here, art brush, press OK, scale proportionately, and pressure brush to press OK. Delete the shape, select this one, and you can see it's going from thicker to thinner, so more like a brush stroke. So yes, basically you can make different kind of brush as you want it. I have made one brush, you can see here, it's art brush one. I made this like that. Look at this one. Same, and copy, make it a little smaller shape, copy paste again, a little smaller shape. So this is the from bigger to smaller shape. I want to I made 6 shapes, and then select all and drag here and follow the process I showed you already. So you can make many crazy brushes as you need, uh, as your creativity works. Like I used this dotted brush to give texture into this logo. If you zoom out, you will see a very subtle texture is used here. This texture is created by using this brush, which is custom. So as you can see, you can use your brush in many unique ways for creating different shapes, texture, or however you want to. So this is how you can make custom brush very easily, or you can make a set and sell them to creative market or graphic river or any marketplace. So right now we are going to use these 2 brush and use and make a mascot logo. So let's see how it comes out. And thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like it and subscribe if you want, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy designing, guys.
There was a time when you had me falling to the ground, like a king without a crown. Whoa, why you make it hard? Don't let me down. You might as well be lost, but I'm found. I'm waiting for your love. You just keep me hanging on, and I deserve to stay, and I'll find my way. Just know you're not alone, 'cause I'm your home. I wanna be with you always. Know you're not alone, 'cause I'm your home. Inside the book that I wrote, are all the words that we spoke, yet only with our eyes. Now is the time to choose. Somebody wins and some lose. I can see through your disguise. Lay it down, hope for something better. Looking at the clouds, the cyber and the weather. You can't keep this up. The lies are just too much. Kick back, start another fire. Looking at the clouds, making shapes that you admire. And you can't stop it now, 'cause you don't know how. And you can't stop it now. Too much love will kill you. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. There was a time when you had me falling to the ground, like a king without a crown. Whoa, why you make it hard? Don't let me down. You might as well be lost, but I'm found. I'm waiting for your love. You just keep me hanging on, and I deserve to stay, and I'll find my way. Just know you're not alone, 'cause I'm your home. I wanna be with you always. No, you're not alone, 'cause I'm your home. Inside the book that I wrote are all the words that we spoke, yet only with our eyes. Now is the time to choose. Somebody wins and some lose. I can see through your disguise.